action. Gemini provides an incredible solution to help agents spend more time with their clients and less time in the administrative work. I'm Rory Golod, the President of Growth and Communications at Compass. Compass is the largest real estate brokerage in the United States by sales volume, and we power our almost 40,000 agents through the industry's only end-to-end technology platform. Compass's mission is to help everyone find their place in the world. In the same way the Compass technology platform allows agents one simple place to go to run their whole business, Google Workspace is giving Compass one simple place for us to communicate, share information, and ultimately operate the company. Everything from using Google Drive to Google Docs, Gmail, or Google Meet. I don't know how we would run the company day to day without it. At Compass, we're using Gemini both on the corporate side and all of our agents across the entire country. One example of that is using Gemini to be able to craft content. Being able to take information from contracts, from comp reports, from market analysis, and craft it together in really easy to digest, sensible content that they can share with their clients, frees them up so they can use that extra time to work with more clients. Also, for our legal team to be able to leverage Gemini to sift through thousands of pages of contracts and documents, extract the most pertinent information, creates better outcomes. When thinking about the future of work, we see a world where Gemini is going to help turbocharge the day-to-day of our employees and our agents. For our employees, it will give them more time back to be able to think critically about how to drive the business forward. And for agents, it's really going to elevate them out of the day-to-day tasks into a world where they can spend 100% of their time talking to, communicating with, and working with their clients, which is ultimately what their clients want. Where you live is where you raise your family, spend time with your friends, rest. It's where you have the most intimate, important moments. Compass is building the new way to help everyone find their place in the world.